Imagine waking up every morning with a sharper mind, a healthier heart, and a body that feels refreshed from the inside out. What if I told you that just 1 cup of rosemary tea could be your secret weapon to better health? It sounds too good to be true, right? But science is catching up with what ancient healers have known for centuries. Rosemary is no ordinary herb. Today, I'm going to share 10 compelling reasons why you should drink rosemary tea daily. And trust me, by the end, you'll want to start brewing your own cup. For thousands of years, rosemary has been treasured, not just for its aromatic flavor, but for its powerful healing properties. The Romans, Greeks, and even ancient Egyptians used it for memory, digestion, and longevity. And now modern research is proving them right. Let's dive into these 10 benefits, backed by both history and science. 1. Boosts brain power and memory. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you were there? It happens to all of us, but rosemary might be the natural brain booster we need. Studies show that compounds in rosemary, like carnosic acid, help protect brain cells from damage and even improve memory and focus. In fact, researchers found that simply inhaling rosemary's aroma can enhance cognitive function. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just trying to keep your mind sharp, rosemary tea is your new best friend. 2. Supports heart health. Your heart works tirelessly, beating over 100,000 times a day, and rosemary tea can help keep it strong. It contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support circulation and reduce bad cholesterol. Some studies even suggest that rosemary can help regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. So, if you want a simple, natural way to care for your heart, a cup of rosemary tea is a great place to start. Before we jump to the next point, to keep this channel going, please hit the subscribe button. It truly makes a difference. Thank you. 3. A natural stress reliever. Let's be honest, life can be stressful. But what if I told you that a cup of rosemary tea could help calm your nerves? Rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, which has been shown to reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. Drinking rosemary tea can promote relaxation, ease anxiety, and even improve sleep quality. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, skip the coffee and reach for a warm, soothing cup of rosemary tea instead. 4. Improves digestion and gut health. Ever feel bloated after a big meal? Rosemary tea can help with that. This herb has been used for centuries to aid digestion. It stimulates bile production, which helps break down fats and reduces gas, bloating, and indigestion. Plus, its antimicrobial properties can keep harmful bacteria in check, promoting a healthier gut. So, if your stomach often feels uncomfortable, rosemary tea might be the simple solution you've been looking for. 5. Fights inflammation and pain. Whether it's arthritis, sore muscles, or headaches, inflammation is at the root of many health problems. And guess what? Rosemary tea has powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce pain naturally. Some studies show that drinking rosemary tea regularly can lower markers of inflammation in the body, making it a natural remedy for joint pain and even migraines. So, before reaching for that painkiller, why not try a cup of rosemary tea first? 6. Strengthens the immune system. We all want to stay healthy, right? Well, rosemary tea is packed with immune-boosting antioxidants like vitamin C, rosmarinic acid, and polyphenols. These compounds help your body fight off infections, viruses, and harmful bacteria. And in a world where we're constantly exposed to germs, rosemary tea can be a simple yet powerful way to give your immune system the support it needs. 7. Promotes hair growth and scalp health. Did you know that rosemary is one of the best natural remedies for hair loss? It stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which nourishes hair follicles and encourages growth. In fact, studies show that rosemary extract can be as effective as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment. Drinking rosemary tea and using it as a hair rinse can make your hair healthier, shinier, and even reduce dandruff. So if you're dreaming of thicker, fuller hair, start sipping on rosemary tea. 8. Supports liver detox and health. Your liver works 24/7 to remove toxins from your body. But with modern diets and lifestyles, it could use some extra help. Rosemary tea contains compounds that support liver function and promote detoxification. It helps the liver process toxins more efficiently and even protects it from damage. So if you want to give your body a gentle daily detox, rosemary tea is a great natural choice. 9. Balances blood sugar levels. With diabetes and insulin resistance on the rise, finding natural ways to support blood sugar control is crucial. Research suggests that rosemary tea can improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. This makes it an excellent drink for those looking to prevent or manage diabetes. A small habit like drinking rosemary tea can make a big difference in maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. 10. May support longevity and anti-aging. Who doesn't want to slow down aging? Rosemary is packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, reducing wrinkles, brain aging, and even the risk of chronic diseases. Some of the world's longest living populations, like those in the Mediterranean, consume rosemary regularly. Could this be their secret to longevity? It just might be. So, let's recap. Rosemary tea is a brain booster, heart protector, stress reliever, digestive aid, pain fighter, immune enhancer, hair grower, liver detoxifier, blood sugar stabilizer, and anti-aging powerhouse. And the best part? It's natural, affordable, and easy to make. Now, I have one challenge for you. Try drinking rosemary tea for just 1 week. See how you feel. Notice the changes. And if you do, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Remember, small daily habits lead to big health transformations. So why not start with a simple cup of rosemary tea? Please check out our next video above. See you shortly in the next video. Thank you for watching, and cheers to your health.